In this video, we will learn more about various features of WordPress and learn how to work with WordPress. But before that, I would like to have recap what we have done so far in connection with our website development. We have purchased the domain name, we have purchased the web hosting, we have successfully changed the name servers, and lastly, we have installed the WordPress. Now from now onwards, we will start that how to customize and install the theme in the WordPress website. Let us begin. How to install WordPress theme? First of all, you have to log into the WordPress for this purpose. Type your domain name /wp-admin. I typed my domain name, that is dmmook.in/wp-admin. Now here enter your login credentials. Be very careful here. You have to enter the username and password that you have created at the time of WordPress installation. Press login. Here is the interface of your WordPress. Very clean and clear. It has tabs like dashboard, media, pages, comments, appearance, plugins, etc. We will make use of all these tabs during the process of website development. One of the important features of WordPress is that you can see the live preview of your website by clicking on Visit Website. Let me see how does my website look like. Here it is. Oops, it's not very impressive. No content, no menu, no image. No. Is it really my website? Don't worry. Within few minutes, you will see something different here. Actually, it's based on the default theme, and we have to change that theme according to our requirements and preferences. There are thousands of beautiful themes available free of cost with the WordPress. And the very first thing is to change the theme of WordPress. A WordPress theme provides you more control over the look and presentation of your material on your website. Before changing the theme, make sure new theme is in lines with the objectives of your website. For example, if you want to develop an e-commerce website, then select e-commerce related themes. If yours is a photographic website, use the theme best for photography from available options. How to change the theme? Go to Appearance and then to Theme. Here are few themes. On the top of one theme, you can see Customize, and on other two themes, it is Activate. It means where it is customized, that theme is currently being used by the WordPress. Where it is Activate, that means the theme is installed but not used by the WordPress. And by clicking Activate, you can replace the current theme. The 2019 theme is the current theme. If you want to change it, you can click either of these two themes. If I activate this theme, now my website will have a new look. Let us see clicking Visit Website. Yes, you can see the look of website has been changed. This is my old theme and this is my new theme. If you want to explore more themes, click this plus sign to add new theme. This is the place where you can search for thousands of themes. Just to have the feel of a theme, you can also check details and preview of the theme here. You can look for popular themes, latest themes, and set your favorite themes. If not impressed with the current theme, you can use the filter feature to narrow down your research. For example, you want to see only e-commerce themes. You can check it here. Or you can check photography themes from here. Similarly, you can search themes on the basis of features and layout attributes. First thing first, let's install a new theme. Go to Appearance, click on Theme, and then click on plus sign to add new theme. Search for Ocean WP theme, which is my favorite one. It's here. You may install the theme of your choice, but I will suggest you to install this theme only as of now, so that we all are on the same platform. It will be easy for you people to understand the things. Click on Install and then Activate. Read this message. This theme recommends the following plugins: Elementor and Ocean Extra. Begin installing plugin or dismiss this notice. Click on Begin installing plugins. Don't install Elementor. It's very popular page builder, but we will talk about this plugin in a separate video. As we are just learning the basics, therefore, install Ocean Extra only by pressing Install button. Now this plugin is installed and ready to use. What are plugins? How to install them? We will discuss it in a separate module in detail. To begin with, just assume that we are designing a website as a blog, which consists of posts and pages. So, we have to offer the content to our audience through posts and pages. I will explain it in a while. What is the difference between post and a page? Before that, look at the layout of your website. To see our website live at any time during the process of website development, click on Visit Site. Open it in a new window. With any change in the WordPress, refresh this page to see the changes made by you in the website while using the WordPress. You can see the white space here. This is the top bar. This space is header and can be customized. Here, we can show our menu, logo, social icons, name of websites, link for all posts and pages in the header. This information shown in header will not change and remain the same throughout all pages of the website. This is the name of my website, which will be changed later on if required. This is the page title and can be customized. This is sidebar, may contain useful information and widget, and will appear on all pages until customized or removed. And this is the place where my post will appear. It has title, who created the post, when was it created, and so on. By clicking on Continue Reading, one can read the full post. And I have space for comments too. Go back. And this bottom part is the footer of website. Similarly to the header, any information shown in footer will remain the same throughout all pages of the website. So this was the basic information about theme and layout of your website. I hope you have enjoyed it. So now let us proceed further.